guys, welcome to F1 Tech, and today we are going to be answering the question: are custom ROMs still relevant in 2022? Today I have the Redmi Note 9 Pro with me, which was released 2 years before and had Android 10 when it was released. And with the help of custom ROMs, I have installed Android 12.1 with May security patch with no issues at all. Most people are hesitant to move from MIUI and other stock ROMs because most custom ROMs do not provide the features which are included in MIUI. But for Poco, Redmi and MI users, there's a good news. You can install MIUI EU because MIUI EU provides stock MIUI features as well as added features, and it's debloated by default and has no spywares. So in my eyes, it's a perfect daily driver for those who want MIUI features and loves MIUI and wants to stick to it, but with no spyware adwares. And if you guys hate the stock ROM on your device and your device is a Xiaomi phone, it most likely will have a lot of custom ROMs. Some of the custom ROMs which I'd recommend are AirOS, Pixel Experience OS, Lineage OS and others. I use Descendant OS on my phone and it works perfectly. It depends on your device if a ROM is great on it or not. I'll link my Telegram group link below, and I'll send you the links of device specific groups so that you can join and ask other users for recommendations for a ROM. As pixels are the pinnacle of Android experience on a phone, most people would love to have it on their phone, and it's possible by doing these two things: buying a Pixel phone or installing a Pixel custom ROM on your old device or newer device. If it's supported by the custom ROM, you will be able to install and experience the Pixel features on your phone without paying a dime. There are custom ROMs such as Pixel Experience OS, Pixel OS and Pixel Plus UI which provide you these features and the fluidity of a Pixel on your budget phone. As you can see, I'm using a Redmi Note 9 Pro which costs 13,000 rupees and it runs flawlessly the Pixel OS, and it even comes with Google camera. This Google camera is so awesome and takes awesome pics, so for 2 or 3 years I won't be needing a new phone. The HDR Plus on Pixel phones are just awesome, and you get this for free on your phone. It makes even a shit camera great. And you also get the lovely Pixel wallpapers which are just awesome. And as for streaming apps such as Netflix and Amazon Prime, you need to check if DRM info is L1 with other users and the developers. If it's L1, you can use everything perfectly. And as for banking apps, you need to check if SafetyNet passes by default, and if it passes by default, you can use banking apps easily with no hassle and with no issues. As you can see, I am using a ROM which DRM info is L1 and SafetyNet passes by default, so I have no issues in using this ROM. You can make Google Pay payments and other payments as well. And as for the conclusion, if custom ROMs are still relevant in 2022, I'd say it depends on your device. If your device has a great custom ROM community behind it, you won't regret a bit switching to custom ROMs, as it provides great fluidity compared to any other OEM ROMs out there. And it also gets fast updates and faster bug fixes than any other OEM ROMs out there. And especially if you have a budget device which is bloated to the core, you should install a custom ROM 101% in my opinion, and you should get to enjoy Pixel features or AOSP on your device without paying a shit ton of money. So a budget device plus custom ROMs are just a great option. So thank you.